This faceless AI YouTube channel makes up to $40,000 every single month and gets hundreds and thousands of views and subscribers. The cool thing is that all these videos are completely done in AI and completely done in just a few minutes. Now I'm going to show you how to do this using a software called InVideo that has ChatGPT 4 built into it. Now, using this AI software, you can literally tell it what type of video, what type of voiceover, and what type of background music that you want. And it's going to create the entire video for you. And within minutes, you're going to have an entire script, voiceover, background music, background footage, and even some cool edits. Now, if you've never heard of me, my name is Dad Learns Money. I'm an introvert who went from homeless to homeowner with high ticket affiliate marketing. And I've done multiple 6 and 7 figures with my own online business, as well as promoting other multiple affiliate products and services. Now, my goal for this channel is to help you build an infinite passive income business and achieve financial and time freedom, especially if you hate your job exactly like I did. Now, step number 1 is you need to create an AI InVideo account. I'm going to leave that link down below this video. That link is also going to give you access to get started today with an absolutely free account. By the way, if you sign up using my link down below, I'm also going to give you some free ChatGPT prompts that you can use to get started. That's going to help you create the most perfect videos without having to think of all the prompts yourself and the video not coming out the way you want. That's going to be my gift for you just for signing up using my link. Now, after you create your free account with InVideo, the next step is we're going to simply create our first video using the AI software built into InVideo. Now, it is already attached to ChatGPT, so we're going to make use of that software, and I'm going to show you how in this video. But before we start just creating videos, the first thing we're going to want to do is figure out what niche we're going to use for this video, and also just what type of videos are we going to be creating. Now, I want you to take a look at this YouTube channel called Victory Venture, which is an AI generated faceless YouTube channel, and you'll start to see immediately that they're kind of like niched into motivational, inspirational, and financial freedom types of videos. So what you want to do based off just like this faceless channel is figure out what niche is going to be good for you. So just for educational purposes of this video, I'm just going to pick a niche. We're going to use the travel niche today. And the travel niche is really good because everybody likes to travel. They like to go on vacations, and it's a very lucrative niche to make money in. So with that being said, we're going to get started on creating our first AI faceless video using InVideo. And one of the first things I want you to understand is the more specific that you make your prompt, the better the results you're going to get. So here's an example of my prompt. Create a fun, exciting, and funny YouTube short about the top 5 world's best places to visit for 2023 to 2024. Keep the duration up to 45 seconds. Start the video by introducing the topic and use the title as the intro text. Then give the top 5 world's best places to visit for 2023 and 2024 and illustrate each of them with an example. Keep the language super simple and easy to understand. Conclude the video by asking viewers which top 5 world best places are they going to visit in 2024. Use an energetic American male from Texas voice for the voiceover. Make sure the background music sounds relaxing but also inspirational. Also make sure to add captions. Here is an article that you could use as reference. And if you didn't know, using this software, you can actually give the AI something to reference to help it understand clearly what you're trying to get it to accomplish or the results you're trying to get it to give you. So I pulled an article from off the internet right here, and this is the article right here. And it's going to pull the ideas and get clarity on what I'm telling it based off what I put in the prompt itself and the article that it's going to check. This software can literally go and pull information from websites, which is super cool. Now, also keep in mind, I'm going to give you this prompt and other prompts that you can use for any niche in any industry to help you get the best results when you're creating these videos using the artificial intelligence. All you have to do is click the link down below this video to get access to them. That being said, once you have your prompt, you're just going to click generate video. Now, as you can see, it's taking the information that we put inside the prompt and it's thinking, it's even visiting the website or the article that I recommended it could use as reference. And in a few minutes or a few seconds, it's going to spit out that video and we'll look at the finished product. Now, after it's done, it's going to ask you a few more things just to make sure that you have everything you want the video to sound like and look like. So it's asking for your audience, travel enthusiasts. I'm going to keep it like that. The look and feel is going to be bright, and but you can choose inspiring or epic. And then the platform, we already have that set based off our prompt for YouTube Shorts. So if everything looks good in this area, all you're going to want to do is click continue. Now, right now, what you're seeing is actually creating the video right before our very eyes. It's analyzing. And in a matter of moments, we're going to have our YouTube short video ready. Now, I do want to say that AI in video is free, but if you upgrade, you can get access to where it takes away all the watermarks and you get access to more stock footage and a lot more access to things like the music. So here are the pricing plans right here for the free version. Like I said, you can get started for free. You get 6,000 plus video templates, a media library, AI script generator, and the automated text-to-speech. And you can collaborate with a team if you have a team in your business. Now right here, this is the yearly plan right here. So you'll be saving $180 annually. And then also for the limited, you'll be saving $360 annually. But if you want to take a look at the monthly plans, $30 a month, they're going to remove the watermark. You get 60 HD videos, which is pretty good for an entire month. You get 10 iStock media footage and a million plus access to premium media. You can remove the background, and you get a 7-day money back guarantee on both of these plans. Now, as you can see, this only took a few moments. I think it took about 2 minutes total, but as you can see, it created the entire video. It has background music, it has stock footage, and it even has the captions, as you can see. Also, while you're in this part of the video, you can edit as you go. So you can click in here, you can say delete the scene, it's not really relevant, or you can make it half as long or too wordy, or you could type in a whole entirely brand new prompt and it'll start all over from the beginning. And like I said, this is super easy to do. You can even click edit right here and you can change any of the stock footage from right here in the middle of it. And what's a cool feature about using this AI, it tells you what part of the stock footage is on the text that it created for the video, so the captions. So you can see it's highlighted right here. Whoosh in for a whirlwind tour the top 5 global shots, and it's telling you this right here is the footage, but you can click that and change it, or you can also upload your own video, or you can search for something different by clicking right here. So this one, it would be the first scene. If you don't like that, you could just key in whatever you want right here, travel in Africa, and then just press enter. And then what it's going to do is going to pull up all the stock footage based off what you keyed in that search menu. And you can go through each one of these by clicking, and it's going to show you different things and different scenes that you can change right here. So this is what we put in travel in Africa, and they give you stock footage. Well, let's take a quick look at how the video look and sound so we can know whether or not we want to make any changes. Down below, you'll see the link to join my free course. And by the way, did I say free? It's absolutely free. No games, no gimmicks, no upsells. You can join and use this course to not only to learn about AI softwares, but how to make money with all of the industries together. I'm going to teach you the secrets of automated income. I'm going to teach you all my ultimate affiliate programs and software gold mines. I'm going to show you how to go from $0 to $100 a day using my email list alchemy. Even in the end, I'm going to give you my expert tools and programs I will to forge a 7-figure business from thin air. All that and more is down linked below this video. Let's hop back into it.
Whoosh in for a whirlwind tour of the top 5 global hotspots for 2023 to 2024. First up, Paris, the city of love where romance and baguettes are always in the air. Next, head to Rome, the eternal city, for a slice of history and a pizza pie. Third, make a stop in the picturesque landscapes of Switzerland where the mountains are as sweet as the chocolate. Fourth, London calls with its iconic landmarks and afternoon tea. Finally, end your journey in the cosmopolitan hub of New York City where the city lights shine as bright as your dreams. So which of these top 5 destinations will be on your travel itinerary for 2024? Time to start packing.
Now that was absolutely pretty cool. It did everything that we asked it to do, all the way down to the voice, even the music, and the stock footage was dead on. It matched what it was saying in the actual video. But like I said, if there's any changes you want to make in this video, you can just give it a new prompt or edit the prompts inside this little generator taskbar right here, or you can go to edit. But if everything checks out, all you will have to do is just click on export, and it's going to open up this window right here. Now, of course, if you upgrade, it's going to get all the watermarks taken out as you saw in the video. And then you can remove or add any of the branding that you want inside this video, and you'll get an option to have better quality of the video. But if you don't want to do any of that, you can leave it as is, or you can just change it so it says stop watermark. So that's going to make it to where you can download it right now, and you can just put normal just like this. And then for the free version, you can still get 1080p, which is pretty good for a free version. And then what you do, you click continue. Now, right now, what it's doing is just rendering the video. And then when it's done, it's going to give us access to download it. So altogether, this probably took like 15 to 20 seconds. But as you can see, the video is entirely rendered, and it actually downloaded to my desktop PC, which is what I'm recording this video on right now as we speak. Now, the next thing you would want to do after that is you want to put it out on social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or even Instagram. But in this case, this is a YouTube short. So we're going to definitely make sure we get it uploaded to YouTube. Now, before you just start uploading your videos to YouTube, you want to make sure that you have your YouTube channel set up correctly, just like we looked at the guy Victory Venture on his YouTube channel. But you want a YouTube banner. You want to make sure you have a YouTube name and a YouTube @ name and a profile picture. Make sure that you create you a nice bio in your profile like so. But at least do these things so that your channel looks really, really good, and make sure it makes sense to your niche. For example, this is a travel niche video, so we want to put some travel icons and some travel images in our banner, so when people land on your YouTube channel, they feel like this is the right place if they're in the niche or they're the target audience for people who like to travel. But once you have all that set up, all you will have to do is just click on the little icon up top, the video icon, and click upload video. And then it's going to ask you to drag and drop that file here. So all we have to do is just click select files. There's our video right here. And then I would just click open. And then it's going to come into this area right here and start uploading. And then from there, you would just add your title and your description and even your tags into the video. Now, that was just an educational video. I'm not going to actually upload it, but it's pretty self-explanatory and really simple to do. What you want to also do, now that you have it uploaded to YouTube, you want to make sure that you increase your traffic, especially if you're going to sprinkle affiliate links down in the YouTube description. You want to put this not on just YouTube, but many other platforms. And I want to show you how you can do that as well, to get you more leads and more traffic and more views on various multiple platforms without having to create all the videos over and over again for each platform. I'm going to show you how you could take that same video and repurpose that same video to all the platforms in just one click. Now, another AI software that I highly recommend for you to repurpose your videos to multiple different platforms in one click is a software called Repurpose.io. Now, Repurpose.io isn't free. It's $25 a month. But if you use my link down below this YouTube description or below this video, you can get started on a free trial, and you're going to get full access for 14 days without even having to put your credit card in to get a test and feel of the software. Now, this is the back office of the software, but basically how it works is, say, for example, we put that video on YouTube. All it's going to do is just take that same video and automatically post it to any of the other platforms we desire. So it'll take that same YouTube short video and repurpose it to TikTok, to Facebook, to Instagram, to Pinterest, to LinkedIn, to Snapchat. And they have a lot of other platforms automatically in here that you can integrate and connect your account to without doing any of the extra work. It's going to take that original video that you posted on YouTube as a YouTube short and put it on all the other social media platforms that you connect from within the software. Now, I won't go super in depth on how to use this software to repurpose your content because I've already made a ton of other videos about it. I'm going to make sure I leave them linked below and you'll see it popping up on your screen. But after you've made that video and now it's being repurposed to other social media platforms, what you want to do after that is continue to put out videos every single day. This is going to help you grow your YouTube channel faster. Also, it's going to help you get more traffic and views to your YouTube channel faster. And if you become an affiliate for any of the things that you're suggesting in your videos, you can also get monetized before you're actually monetized on the YouTube platform. You could be making money as you grow. Now, I also talk about that on my channel. You can check out those videos on how to use AI to grow your YouTube channel and make money in the process as you grow, and not just YouTube, but TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and all of the other social media platforms. Make sure you check out those videos in the YouTube description. Now, as a bonus, if you know about me and the purpose of this YouTube channel, my whole thing is to help you start making infinite passive income in your business, whether it be through ad revenue or it be through affiliate marketing or digital marketing. I want to help you leave your 9-to-5 job this year by making money online with social media and digital marketing and affiliate marketing. So I want to invite you to take part in my 3-day quest called the Infinite Passive Income Quest, which is a 3-day challenge where I'll show you more in depth on how to create this entire system. And I'll also give you all the tools and the softwares that I'm using, an entire 7-figure affiliate marketing business that you can literally take and use as your own without creating all the stuff from scratch. I'm going to give you the landing pages. I'm going to give you all the funnels. I'm going to give you all the emails and everything you need to get started right below this video. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I gave you tons of value. If I did, let me know down in the comments what you thought about this video. And if you have any other questions, also leave a comment. I always reply back, and I'll try and make a video about anything that you request down in the comments. As always, you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.